Welcome to all. I am Dr. V. Murugan, Assistant Professor of Computer Science, MSc Constitutional College of Arts and Science, Kadainallur. I am going to take class about digital image processing. This is the subject of second year MSc students for this semester. This is the first online class for students. What is digital image processing? This is a simply representation, improvement of pictorial information for human interpretation. Otherwise, one image is worth more than 1,000 words. It is said by Gonzalez. Every humans having different types of expressions. Sometimes maybe anger, disgust, fear, joy, neutral, sadness, surprise. These are all different types of expressions. The expressions will make you understand what you want to say. This is the image expression. Image processing basic steps. Importing the image via image acquisition tools, analyzing and manipulating the image, output in which result can be altered image or a report which is based on analyzing that image. This is a graphical representation of digital image processing system. The leaf image captured by a camera and sent it to the digital image processing system, a particular system to focus on a water drop that gives its output as an processed image. This is the difference between normal wordings and image. One image is worth more than 1,000 words. What is an image? An image can be defined as a two-dimensional function f of x comma y. X comma y spatial coordinate. F is the amplitude of any pair of coordinate x comma y, which is called the intensity or gray level of the image at that point. X comma y and f are all finite and discrete quantities. Types of an image. There are some types of images available. Binary image, black and white image, 8-bit color format image, 16-bit color format image. First we see binary image. Binary means 2, 0 or 1. 0 refers black, 1 refers as white. This image is also known as monogram image. Next one is black and white image. This image having only pure black and white pixels only. That is, it is called black and white image. Next one is 8-bit color format image. It's nothing but grayscale image. Grayscale image contains 0 to 255 gray level values. 0 means black, 255 means white. Whenever the values will be increased 0 to 255, the image color will be increased. Color means gray level will be increased. That is gray value. That is gray value will increase. This is a grayscale image. Next one is 16-bit color format image. That is nothing but pure color image. The color image having 3 components: RGB, red, green, blue. Red means 0 to 255, green means 0 to 255, blue means 0 to 255. The combination of 3 components, the combined with 3 components, the component will produce a new color. That is color image. Image as a matrix. As we know, images are represented in rows and columns. This is an example for matrix format. Simply we say collections of rows and columns is called image. Collections of pixels is called image. Next we see overlapping fields with image processing. This is a graph representation of overlapping fields with image processing. According to the block 1, if input is an image and we get output also image, then it is termed as digital image processing. According to the block 2, input is an image and we get output is an description or some kind of information as a output, then it is termed as a computer vision. According to the block 3, if input is some description or some code and we get the image as an output, then it is termed as computer graphics. According to the block 4, if input is description or some keywords or some code and we get description or some keywords as a output, then it is termed as artificial intelligence. This is a representation of overlapping fields with image processing. Next we will see the fundamental steps in digital image processing. This is the overall processing of digital image processing system. This system having image acquisition, image enhancement, image restoration, color image processing, wavelets and multi-resolution processing, image compression, morphological processing, segmentation, representation and description, object recognition. First we see image acquisition. What is image acquisition? In image processing, it is defined as the action of retrieving an image from source, usually a hardware-based source for processing. Image acquisition is nothing but just to capture an image using mobile or camera, some other devices. That is image acquisition. Image enhancement. It is the process of adjusting digital images so that the results are more suitable for display or further image analysis. Usually includes sharpening of images, brightness and contrast adjustment, removal of noise, etc. These are all comes under image enhancement system. Image restoration. It is the process of recovering an image that has been degraded by some knowledge of degraded function H and the additive noise term. Unlike image enhancement, image restoration is completely objective in nature. Next, color image processing. This part handles the image processing of colored images either as indexed image or RGB images. Next one is wavelets and multi-resolution processing. Wavelets are small waves of limited duration which are used to calculate wavelet transform, which provides time frequency information. This part is mainly used for frequency domain systems. Next one is compression. Compression deals with the technique for reducing the storage space required to save an image or bandwidth required to transmit it. Morphological processing. It deals with extracting image components that are useful in representation and description of shape. And also erosion and dilation. These are all some basic morphological algorithms. Segmentation. It is the process of partitioning a digital image into multiple segments. It is generally used to locate objects and boundaries in an in objects, representation and description. There are two types: boundary description representation and regional representations. Representation deals with converting the data into a suitable form for computer processing. Boundary representation means it is used when the focus is an external shape characteristics. Example, image corners. Regional representation, it is used when the focus in an internal properties, that is texture. Description deals with extracting attributes that. Next one is recognition. It is the process that assigns a label to an object based on its description. Last one is knowledge base. Knowledge about a problem domain is coded into an image processing in the form of the knowledge base. This is a basic class of digital image processing. Next class, we will see elaborately in digital image processing fundamental steps. Thank you.